Right, good afternoon Sean and Lisa. This is video report number 4. We're now on this side of the house. This is the chimney that was leaking into one of the bedrooms. What we found down here is these bottom tiles here are referred to as eaves tiles, and you can see there's one broken there. Now the first thing Craig and I thought when we seen that was that's not causing a problem, because this joint here is largely covered by that tile, and it shouldn't leak because the lead should come up to somewhere around about here, about three or four rows up, sorry, about there. So first thing we thought was that's not actually leaking, but upon careful investigation we find that when we're down inside here, Craig, can you show this, because I can keep my hands on the camera then. Down here, where Craig's going to show you, underneath there is sand cement. Somebody's filled that with sand cement, and our guess is initially that the lead doesn't come up very far, and that's why it's been filled with sand cement. So he's going to poke his probe through there, and if he comes up a bit further, can you see how far that probe's going in? Let's pull it in now, Craig, so you can see. It's going right in. So that lead is absent there. So that's our leak there. So the whole thing's been done erroneously, but we can fix it simply by replacing that broken tile. Ordinarily that wouldn't cause a leak, but in this case it is. It's a bit tricky because again it's the bottom one, and we'll have to remove a section of roof above it to get it in, but we will do it. While I'm on this report, I just want to show you something else which is not necessarily to worry about for now, but for the not too distant future. This chimney, the pointing is not in good condition. It's going to need pointing at some point, because water is going to be getting into there. You can see that it's pretty open. Now that could actually be a contributory factor to the leak. So what I suggest we do is we fix the main leak here, and hopefully that's the end of the matter. If it's not, I think this is the issue here. Now the unfortunate thing is that the chimney is it's fairly high, and especially on the other side, so sadly it would have to be scaffolded to point it, but that's a job for the not too distant future, I would say, if you want that doing, and we would be happy to do it for you if you asked us to do it at some point in the future. But I think that's our problem there for now. Okay, end of report.